So it's Thursday the 29th and Halloween's in 2 days. So it is raining right now, but I don't think it's supposed to rain Saturday night. Our town is having trick-or-treating, so that's really great. I don't know if I've already said this on the vlog, but Rory's going to be Wonder Woman and Will is going to be a demon ninja. So he wanted to be something spooky. He kept picking clown outfits or clown costumes, and Adam and I were like, no. I mean, I am supportive of the spooky stuff, but the creepy clowns, just, I don't think I could have done that. So anyway, I'm getting ready to upload a vlog. I am on track to finish out Vlogtober. I can't believe Vlogtober ends in just a couple days, but Vlogmas will be here before we know it. So I am finishing up the Advents today, and then we'll be glazing, painting, packaging, and shipping. So shipping notifications should start going out this weekend, and then the packages should be on the move next week, so early next week. And that goes for the Huga boxes as well. And all of the orders, they will go out Friday, Saturday, Monday. A lot of things are falling on the same day this week, so just bear with me. If you have an order and you're waiting for an order to ship this week, I'm doing a lot of different, what is it called? I have a lot of, what's the expression? Pots on the stove? I don't know. Anyway, I have a lot of things I'm doing. I wanted to also say I've said thank you quite a bit for the Ko-Fis, but I don't think I've said thank you to everyone who is commenting. I really love reading all your comments. I've been getting some messages of people who are either interested in baking some of the things I've been baking or cooking or something, which I don't feel like I've done much cooking this week. Maybe we'll try that tonight if I have time. I don't know. The Advents have kind of just taken, I have such a glare, don't I? The Advents have just really been keeping us busy. So I just wanted to let you know that I do read every single comment. I love reading them. It's just really exciting to have that interaction. So just thank you guys for being so supportive this month while I've been vlogging, and sticking with me. So anyway, I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna try to knock out these last couple designs for the Advent, get everything glazed, and then Adam is going to start on all the clasps and the packaging, and your Advent should be going out soon. So anyway, thank you guys all for your patience with Advent's orders. Me. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I just got a message from a very sweet viewer and customer, and she asked me about some Danish pastry that I had made, it was a month or two ago, and I haven't made them for a while, but I've had a couple people ask me how I make them, my puff pastry and my fillings. And so I was thinking maybe I would do that today if I get in a good place with my work. And I was thinking it'd be really yummy to do a shepherd's pie, a vegetarian shepherd's pie filling in the puff pastry. But I would do my braid instead of what this has done, which is just the puff pastry over the top. So I think I'm gonna do that. I don't think it'll be that hard. I'm not going to have as many ingredients. This has a lot of ingredients that I don't feel like says shepherd's pie to me, but yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But I really need to get started on work before I can do that. So around lunchtime I will make the crust and have it in the fridge, so it's ready to go for supper time. So it is a little later. It is almost 1. I had hoped to be done a little bit earlier. I had actually hoped to have all 3 designs finished. The 3 designs that I left to the last designs to sculpt for the Advents were some of the more detailed ones. It's taking me longer than I expected. So, but 2 of the 3 are done. When I get back from getting the kids, I will do the last one. and then spend tonight working again. But I don't think that should mean that we shouldn't have a nice supper. So, ooh, okay, I'm trying to stop knocking stuff around. I'm gonna make wraps really quick, just these Asian zing wraps that are made with the vegetarian chicken. So I'm gonna make that really quickly for a quick lunch because I'm really hungry. Okay, whatever 9 times 25 is, that's how many charms I've done. And I have 100 charms left to do for order. There's a lot of charms in front of me, and it's a pity because I really want to show you guys all of them, just because one of the things that I love the most about sculpting charms is not even as much making the charms as it is having all of the same charm in a pile in front of me. I love seeing the same design repeated over and over again, and that is so satisfying, and that's what's in front of me right now. And I can't show it to you, but I hope you guys like them. I'm really enjoying them. It's Advent. Advents have to go out, and I know that all of you know that. I know that those of you that get Advents from yarn dyers, you know that it's a lot of work and a lot of packaging, and so that's what we are focusing on this week.